Good morning, Jeffrey, and welcome on Thursday with the list of new tasks. So for today, I would like to start with maths. So we continue 3D shapes and the viewpoints. So top view, front view, and the side view for today. So the first task is pretty easy, I would say, as you've got the figures, the shapes, and you are asked just to mark the top view. Okay, as you can see, there is no need to print out the worksheet as there are 6 examples and the top view to be chosen. So you can just write down the answers in your math notebook and we are going to check them on Friday, okay, during our Zoom lesson. So if you think that the top view for the first shape is A, just write 1A, 2B, 3C, and so on up to 6. And that's it. The second task is also similar, but this time you've got 3 shapes given and you need to draw front view, side view, and the top view, okay, of those figures. And for the volunteers, if you want, you can make your 3D object using from 7 to 10 blocks. And then I want you to draw the top view, front view, and side view. You can skip that part in which you have to draw the three-dimensional model and just do the top view, front view, and side view. As you can see, there is also no need to print out that worksheet. You can simply do it in your math notebook, okay? And English. So Thursday means new books on Backlab. So I would like you to read one book on Backlab. The link is in the planner, of course. And what's more, I would like you to to revise conjunctions and linking words, transition words. So you've got the word box, if, but, because, although, and. And there are 2 ideas. And I want you to choose a transition word from the box and write your own sentence combining those 2 ideas using the transition word or conjunction. So, in the example, idea 1 was that the weather is stormy. Second idea, swimming. Transition word chosen by that person was if. If there is stormy weather, we will not go swimming in the ocean. But you could choose because. We cannot go swimming because the weather is stormy. So you can choose the transition word and you can create your own examples. A car has a flat tire getting to school. I was getting to school, but the car had a flat tire. I was getting to school on a bye-bye because the car had a flat tire. You understand the task now? So this worksheet is editable. If you want to do it online, I'm fine with it. There are the worksheets uploaded in your folder. However, I think that there is also no need to print it out because you can simply use your English notebook, okay, to write those 3 sentences because that's your ask here. 3 sentences. That's it. And unit of inquiry. Today we are going to talk about the rock cycle. So there are 2 videos which I published here. And there is also a text on Google Drive about the rock cycle. It's up to you. If you prefer watching and getting the information from the video, you may watch. If you prefer reading, you may simply read. If you want to combine 2 options to have better understanding, I'm also fine with it. Okay? So your task is actually in your unit of inquiry notebook, writing what are 3 types of rocks, okay, and what is a rock cycle. If you list 3 types of rocks, I would like you also to write short characteristics for each. Okay, what's your opinion? What's in your opinion is like the most important to know about those kinds of rocks? And that's what we are going to check. That's what we are going to discuss on Friday during our Zoom lesson. So I would like to have that task ready for Friday. Okay? And we'll discuss it during our meeting. For the volunteers, there is a reading comprehension about rock cycle, and you may read the text and answer the questions. Okay? That's it for today. We are seeing each other at 10:30. So see you soon.